हाँ ऋतुराज। हाँ।
हाँ भैया। वो म्यूट कर दे वहाँ मतलब वहाँ लैपटॉप। तू नहीं कर सकते।
Hello, everyone. I hope I'm audible. Yes. Welcome, everyone, today for the orientation session of AI/ML internship hosted by IBM Skillsbuild and CSR Box. We'll be waiting for another 5 minutes for the rest of the people to join in quickly. I can see many people joining in. Please also remind your team members to kindly log in to the platform. If they haven't yet, please get a check from your team members. Okay, in case someone is facing a difficulty and they cannot be a part of the Zoom meeting, we are also on YouTube Live. Please check out the link. We're also on YouTube Live. You can also get the same recording there as well. Okay, someone has raised a hand. You can also see it on your Google Calendar invite, the YouTube link that's been shared on the location. Please, I would request you or your team members who cannot join this meeting because we have a limited capacity on the Zoom platform. Please join in from the YouTube. I would request you all to kind of follow up from your teammates, from your friends. We will be taking in questions. I can see a lot of hands raised. Definitely, we'll be taking in questions at the end of the session. We'll be starting it in the next 3 minutes. Please, I would request all of you to be patient kindly so that we can start with the session. As you all know, we have a lot of participants to cater to. We'll definitely take in all your questions. Please feel free to put it on the chat box. At the end, we'll be having a question answer round. We'll be taking in all the questions over there. We'll also be circulating an attendance form. That's very important. Please mark your presence over there as well, because that's a mandatory process of this internship. Please mark your presence on the attendance form that will be shared with you at the end of the session. All right. Great. I can see a lot of messages. Please, you can find the YouTube link on the chat box that's been shared by Rashika. In case your team members cannot join, please click on the YouTube link and join the program. Okay, we'll be waiting for another 1 minute before we start. Great. Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to today's orientation session of AI/ML internship program. It's been conducted virtually. It's hosted by IBM Skillsbuild and CSR Box. Before we start with the orientation session, let me just brief you about our organization. First of all, I'm Arundhati Bhattacharya. I'm working as a Senior Engagement Associate of CSR Box. So, speaking about CSR Box is one of the leading impact platforms in the development sectors. We are working in this field for the past 10 years now. Some of our businesses, we have it with some of our clients. We have with Diageo, Hero Motocorp, Mercedes-Benz, and of course, IBM, as we all know. Okay, so IBM Skills Build, I believe many of you have heard of IBM Skills Build. It's nothing, it's a CSR initiative of IBM. We are the proud partner of IBM CSR initiatives for the past 4 years. We've been working on IBM Skillsbuild all across the country with school students, with college students like you all for the past 4 years now. And we are also hosting this beautiful, crafted summer internships every year, okay, for all of you. The entire agenda of doing this IBM Skills Build internship is mainly to enhance your employment opportunities. Okay, IBM has crafted this because there is a gap. We okay There is often a gap we find in the soft skills or the hard skills of many young aspiring talents like you all. And in order to meet that gap, IBM Skills Build has crafted a beautifully curated, self paced learning programs that you will all be going through in this entire internship session. Okay. Before further delay, I would like to introduce you to today's speaker, that is Rituraj Bohidar. He is also a senior engagement associate of CSR Box, and he has a rich background of the engineering and marketing sector. All right. And before any other queries or questions, let's just get started with today's session. Over to you, Rituraj.
Hi team, hi all. Thank you Arundhati for the great introduction, and we are good to start. Can we start
Yes.
the session? Yeah, Arundhati. Okay. So guys, so learners, I welcome you all to this internship orientation session. So today we will not talk about much on a technical side. We'll talk about how the internship would look like. What are the deliverables you need to complete, and how the sessions or how the learning would look like for you in the next 3 weeks. We'll talk about that. Okay.
Rituraj, just to interrupt you, sorry. We'll also quickly remind all the participants to kindly pay close attention to what Rituraj says, because you will get a lot of your queries, answered throughout this session. Please pay close attention to whatever he says. At the end, we'll be circulating an attendance form. Please fill it in, as it is a mandatory process of this internship program. Okay? Okay, then. Let's start. Thank you.
Okay. Shortly, I'll share my screen. So Arundhati, do let me know when my screen is through. Okay.
Mhm.
So is my screen through?
Yes, Rituraj, you can put it on the presentation mode.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Okay. I hope it is well and good to
perfect.
start. Okay,
Perfect.
great. So guys, welcoming you all again. Okay. So as Arundhati gave the introduction about who we are, so I would like to take you again through it for more clarification. So as you know, you can see the logo of IBM. So IBM is a tech-based company which work for software and hardware of different companies. It is a multinational company and it is renowned over the globe. Okay. And what is Skillbuild? If we talk, then Skillbuild is a platform that is built by IBM, where IBM is providing courses and certification that are totally free of cost to all of the students, and benefiting the student to um, bridge down the gap between what is taught in academics and what happens in industry. Okay. And talking about CSR Box, so we are the largest implementation partner of IBM Skill Build, and we take care of all the CSR activities that are taken by IBM. Okay, so talking about the agenda for today's session. Okay, talking about the agenda for today's session, we will explore about the AI/ML internship that we'll be going through. Next, we'll be talking about the important dates when you need to join for the masterclass, or let it be submission of your deliverables or completing the self-paced learning. So we'll talk about that. We'll discuss about IBM Skill Build Academia platform. Then I'll help you all guys to register on the platform today itself. Okay. So if you register today, you'll be able to complete your learning, self-paced learning, and you'll be eligible to get the certification. I'll also help you with the course enrollment, like which all course you need to do on our platform. Your queries would be surely taken care of. Okay, so no need to panic, no need, be a little bit patient. We'll be talking about in details in the next 1 hour. Okay, so why we have come here together to learn about AI/ML. So as you all guys know, AI/ML is in the talk of the town today. Okay, so like 10 years back, people were talking about coding, people were talking about emerging technologies, but now with new technologies coming in, AI/ML has been a core of it. Okay, so as you all know, you all were requested to join in as a team. Okay, so that we learn together. Okay, we learn about the programming logics, we learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also we will learn about how do we actually use our theoretical knowledge in a practical way. So at the end of the session, you all will be ready to create a project, okay, of AI/ML in a team. Next is we will also be giving rewards and recognition to all the students who will be completing the internship. And there is a special reward for top 6 teams. So guys, please wait till the end to know that what are the rewards and how you will be eligible to get that. So this is a basic about IBM Skill Build AI/ML internship. Okay. So taking a bird eye view, we are in the internship of artificial intelligence and machine learning. More than 8,000 people registered, but only 5,000 of you got qualified, and you are in this next journey with us. And this journey will be of 3 weeks, next 3 weeks. So today is 10th, and we'll be ending our sessions by 28th of June. Okay. So creating a value chain. Okay. You guys, you are already in an academic setup. Okay. You are already being taught the technicalities into your classroom. Okay. But when you come down to the industry, things are quite different, and you will be mostly working on tangible projects. Okay. At the end of which you get some outcome or result. Okay. So therefore, we believe that self-learning would help you. Okay. Because self-learning is always important, as important as creating the final project. You need to self-learn and also attend the master classes so as to reach there. Okay, so first is self-learning, where we learn from the platform. And what is that platform? How to log in the platform? You're gonna know about it in the next slides. So self-learning is first. Second, we talk about master classes. So what are master classes? Master classes will be held weekly, twice or thrice. Okay, and industry experts will be coming in to give you detailed session about everything that you learn in a self-paced class sessions. Okay, on the platform, whatever you learn, you get a master class from industry experts. And last is project-based learning submission. After self-learning and master class, you all need, as a team, you all need to create a project that you need to submit at the end of the internship, so as to get your certificate of completion by IBM Skill Build CSR box. Okay. So this is the basics of value chain, because if you don't do the self-learning, then the project that you make would not be that great, correct? So you always need to learn first. Okay. So for relearning, what we have done, we are conducting master classes where industry experts would come in and they will give more detailed explanation about everything that you studied in self-learning. And finally, most important is project submission. So this is done. So what the benefits you will be getting? Okay, since the starting, I am focusing on one thing. You get hands-on experience here. Okay, you build your own project, so you get in hands-on experience here. So you'll be learning about AI ML skills, okay, technical skills, including IBM Watson and other kind of tools and technique that are used in the market. Next is, since everyone here are from pan India location, okay, so you get to network with a lot of people starting from industry to your peers who are studying in other colleges, okay. When you do the self-learning courses, then you will get badges and certification from IBM that you can showcase in your LinkedIn profiles, or you can mention that in your CV or resume. Okay. And since you are completing the internship with self-learning, masterclass, and project deliverables, so project, when you submit, you will get a tangible outcome. Okay. So that you can show that tangible outcome during your interviews or during your final project, you can talk about it. So it will give you a lot of push from your other peers how you're different. Okay, so quite beneficial for you guys. And since now there is a tough competitive market, you always need to upgrade yourself. You always need to know the emerging tech that are available in the market, and what the industry people are asking for. So quite beneficial for you, all the learners who are participating over here. So we will give you the platform access for IBM Skill Build Academia, which will consist of more than 800 plus free software that you can use free of cost. Okay. So to mention what benefit you are getting. So to talk about this tools, if you go and search in the market, it will cost you around $2,000 per person. Okay, $2,000 per person to access that software, but we are totally giving it for free since this is a CSR initiative by IBM. IBM thinks about the students, and IBM thinks that IBM values the skills and the time that you are giving to the internship. So they are completely providing 800 plus free softwares. Okay. And again, the same thing I talked about IBM. So this is a what I call hands-on experience learning. So you'll learn, then you'll get badges of IBM. Also, you'll be getting mentoring by our industry experts. Okay. Okay. So now this is a detailed. So now we'll talk about in detail that how the internship would look like. So as I have mentioned all of this before also, but I want to give more clarity to you so that you don't face any problem while logging in or while attending the whole internship. You don't get into any trouble. So therefore, we are solving over all your doubts in one orientation session. So first is you need to have your self-paced learning. Okay. So that is one. So self-paced learning will be done on IBM Skill Build Academia platform, and you have a deadline to complete the courses. So I'll talk about it in the next slide. So self-paced learning will be done on the platform, IBM Skill Build platform. So there are two self-paced learning that you need to complete. Next is masterclass. We totally have 5 masterclass arranged for you. Okay. Apart from orientation session, this is counted as orientation session, and you'll have more 5 sessions and also a mentoring session. Okay. Next is deliverable submission. So after masterclass is done, and in masterclass 4, we will be training you on hands-on experience on the platform IBM Watson. So after that, you'll be submitting your deliverables. That is quite very important, guys. So anyone who wants to get their certification, needs to complete the project submission. Okay. So next is when you complete self-paced learning, masterclass, and you submit the project, your course will be completed. And then you will be eligible to get IBM badges and certification. And also you'll be getting another certification from IBM Skillsbuild and CSR Box as a certificate of completion. So these three things are quite important: self-paced learning, masterclass, and project submission. So if you guys have pen on paper, or you can take down notes on your mobile or your laptops, you can do that, because these three things are quite important. We'll be sharing you all this material maybe today or tomorrow. So no guys, no need to panic. Okay, we'll be giving you all the details. Okay. So talking about next. Okay, so this is how your 3 weeks will look like. Okay, so week 1, that is today, we are having our orientation session, and the masterclass 1 is in week 1. Masterclass 2, 3, and 4 will be taken care in week number 2, and week number 3 we have masterclass 5, mentoring session, and also your project submission. Okay, so today we are on orientation session. After the orientation session, you will start the self-paced learning on IBM Skillsbuild platform. I'll tell about the platform in a bit now. Okay, how to log in, everything else will be I'll be explaining you. So be patient. So today we have our orientation session. After completion of orientation session, you need to log in into our platform and you need to start the self-paced learning. So simultaneously, your sessions will be aligned like masterclass 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And then we'll reach to the mentoring session. In mentoring session, we'll take your doubts on the internship, like if you are getting problem in submitting your project. ठीक है, project submission में कुछ problems आ रही हैं, या फिर if you want to get any doubts solved regarding to the internship, that will be taken care in mentoring. And also something you want to know something about the career opportunities, then that will be also taken care in the mentoring session. And after the mentoring session, you all as a team need to work on the deliverables. Okay, after you done the deliverables and deliverables are submitted, finally we will announce the winners, and we have great rewards for the winners. So guys, everyone who is today in this orientation session, feel very lucky, because not everyone has got the chance to get into this internship. So this is an exclusive program by IBM. Okay. And you get to learn. And also if you learn well, you will earn well. Okay. So that is what I wanted to convey. So this talks about the deliverables. या फिर आपको क्या project या assignment या फिर what all you need to complete. Okay. So first and most important thing is the 2 badges that you are able to see. First one is getting started with artificial intelligence, that we will start today. And second is artificial intelligence fundamental. You'll get the self-paced courses on the platform. Okay. So today we will be telling you how to enroll in the course getting started with artificial intelligence. Okay. And the deadline would be 20th June. Okay. This course is not more than 5 hours, so it will not take much time, but we want it to be qualitative. So we have given ample of time for you to complete the self-paced learning. So you all need to complete getting started with artificial intelligence first, and the deadline is 20th of June. And second is you need to complete artificial intelligence fundamental, whose deadline is 25th of June. Okay. After you complete these 2 self-paced learning, simultaneously your master classes are also going on. So you'll be learning about your about AI, ML and everything. So from the starting, so during the masterclass, the speakers will help you out with what kind of projects you'll make. So for the project, you need to find a problem statement, put the objective of the project, scope of the project, and proposed AI solution. What solution you are providing. Okay. So the solution can be a chat box or a machine learning model. Okay. So you need to work on that and you need to submit a PPT. You can see the deliverable 3, right? So it says that a final PPT showcasing the project highlights, screenshot, and test results. Arundhati, if you are speaking something, you are on mute. Yes. Am I not audible? Am I audible now?
Yes, Rituraj, you are audible.
Okay, okay.
Rituraj, you are on mute.
Okay, guys, sorry for that. Learners, these are the deliverables that you have, and you need to complete all of this so as to get the certification. And a very, very, very warm request to all the team leaders. Okay. So I request all the team leaders to motivate their team members to complete. Okay. Because if your team doesn't complete the self-paced learning, or if they don't join the master classes, then the probability of you getting the certification, the rewards would be less. Okay. So therefore, make sure each of your team members are regularly joining in the master classes session, and also completing the getting started with artificial intelligence badge and artificial intelligence fundamental badge. So requesting to all the team leaders to keep a check with your team so as to get the certification. Okay. So we will go to the next slide. Okay. So this talks about the important dates. Okay. The dates and what are the topics that we'll be discussing. Okay. So today is our 10th of June orientation session. So today we will register ourselves on the IBM Skillsbuild platform, and also we are having a knowledge on what the internship would look like. Your second masterclass is scheduled on 13th of June, and we'll be talking about introduction to AI. Your next orientation session, your next masterclass will be held on 17th of June, that is next week. And we'll be discussing on introduction to generative AI and transformers and large language model. In 19 June, we'll be talking about art of prompting, generating text, videos, and images. Okay. In the same week second, we will have our fourth masterclass, and that would be about designing a chatbot using IBM Watson Assistant. Okay. Next, okay, I'm really sorry. Next session will be on 24th of June, where we'll be deep diving into machine learning with Watson Studios. 27th or 28th of June will be your doubt clearing session and career related queries. And we have kept a deadline of 30th June for submitting your projects, and the project should come down in as group. Okay. We don't expect each of the students to do the assignment, because we want that you work as a team, just like it happens in corporate, okay, or industry. So you work as a team, so you build a project. Okay. So next is why I talk about completing the course, and why I'm focusing on submission of project or completing the deliverables. Okay. So IBM hosts events throughout the year, okay, where students who have done exceptionally well would be invited to showcase their project in IBM events. Okay. So it is very, and that would give a great exposure to you guys, so that it will build confidence. Okay. And next is, you could talk about that in your interview processes, and also you'll get a chance to interact with industry experts. So learners, I'm requesting you all to give your 2 to 3 weeks of your time to this internship, and it will greatly help you in the future. Okay. So talking about the same prerequisite of AIML, what all you need to do so as to get eligible for the certification and rewards. So first is your completion of self-paced learning on IBM Skillsbuild Academia platform. Next is your regularity in masterclass and mentor meetings. And the third and most important is submission of deliverables on time. Okay. So these three are your prerequisite to get your certification of AIL ML internship. Okay. Okay. So now we will talk about IBM Skillsbuild platform. Okay. So before taking you through the platform, there is an important announcement that I need to make. Is whenever in this session itself, we will be logging into the platform, but a sincere request is everyone needs to join in through their domain email ID. Okay. You need to sign up with your domain email ID. So what is domain email ID? So the email ID that is provided to you by your college. Okay. Something like xyz@edu.in. Okay. edu.in, or for someone, it may be .ac.in. Okay. So these are called as domain email ID. Please make sure you log in through your domain email ID. If you log in through your Gmail ID, in the backend, we cannot track your team, and it will be your team will be disqualified. Okay. So please make sure you, along with your team, register through official domain ID of your college. Okay. This is a very important announcement that I want to make before telling about IBM Skillbuild platform. Okay. Since this is the exclusive program, so not everyone would be eligible for this internship. So please, the guys who are having the email college domain email ID needs to log in or sign up with the same. Talking about IBM Skillbuild platform. So IBM Skillbuild Academia platform, there are more than 12,000 faculties that are registered on our platform, because faculty also needs to upgrade their knowledge so as to train the next generation. More than 9 lakh students are learning with us from more than 110 countries. Okay. And 10,000 plus academic institutions are our partners, and one of your colleges are also partnered with us. Therefore, you all are here with us. And more than 1 million certification has been earned by our students after completing the courses. Okay. So talking about IBM Academia platform, so you'll be getting IBM Cloud Access. So since the softwares are very heavy and they need a lot of a good operating system to work on, but so therefore we are providing you IBM Cloud Access so that you can run the software smoothly. You will get more than 800 plus software, and that is totally free of cost, guys. Most of the tools or software that you see over here or you learn through us, you'll be charged over $200 easily in the market. Okay. So take good advantage of this session. You'll be having a lot of courses. You can learn more emerging technologies other than AI and ML. You can learn about data science. You can learn about cloud computing. So all of that is there. You get live access. So since we are having masterclass, you'll be accessing live to the industry experts and who will be taking your questions. And finally, you'll get your digital credentials. So IBM, so just like other edutech platform, so IBM Skillsbuild Academy is also a edtech platform where there is ample of courses and certifications that you can do totally free of cost. And mostly the platform is about emerging technologies and getting you ready for your interviews or getting you ready for the corporate. Okay. So these are all the courses or certification that you can get from IBM Skillsbuild Academia platform. So talking about the softwares, you'll have access to ample of software and whose training will be given to you in the upcoming sessions or master classes. Okay. So I talked about digital credentials. So wanted to deep dive into it. So what are digital credentials? So after completion of each courses on the platform, you'll be getting badges. Okay. So badges look something like this. Okay. Getting started with enterprise grade AI or getting started with enterprise data science. So we will be getting a certificate, we'll be getting this badges. Okay. These two badges we need to complete so as to get eligible for AI/ML internship. So how this will help you? So this digital credential, you can put down it on your CV. You can put that down on your LinkedIn. Okay, so that the recruiter or people who are looking at your CV or LinkedIn, they know that acha this student is already has a basic knowledge on AI and ML and have created a project. So that will be helpful for you guys. So what are the different credential if I talk about? So now we will be only focusing for the next 2 to 3 weeks. We'll be totally focusing on AI and ML, but you can also get your credentials for artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, all of that. Okay. Okay. So with this, we have with this, I think we are good to go and we can start our onboarding process. Okay. Okay, so to help you guys, I'll ask my team to put down the link over here. Okay, so before putting down the link or before you scan out the QR code, I would like to say, guys, we need to log in all together. Okay, so no need to rush down to the next process. I'll take you through the whole process. It is very important for you to stay connected and take it slow. Okay, we will take it slow. We will all log in after I give you the instruction. Okay, because you need to take a screenshot in the middle of your login. Okay, and you need to put the screenshot in the attendance sheet today. Okay, so as to mark your attendance. So guys, please don't rush. Okay, sincere request to each and everyone, don't rush. Just be on the platform where we are. So for this, you have two options. First option is either you can log in through your phone. So there is a QR code that you can scan through your Google Lens and that will take you directly to the link. Secondly, the link will be pasted in the chat box. Okay. And you can click on the link and go to the starting page. But please requesting you all not to start any process beforehand. We will all go page by page together. Okay, I'll wait for each and everyone to come down to the same page and then we will go together. Okay. Okay, so this is the QR scan that you can scan through your mobile Google Lens or the chat in the chat box. I think the team. Okay, guys, so we have pasted the link in the chat. So kindly click on the link or scan the QR through your phone. And those who are done with that, you will get to see this page. Wait over here. Please wait over here. So I'll request everyone to scan this QR or click on the link that is pasted on the chat box. So I'll wait here for next 2 minutes for everyone to come down to the same page. So everyone who will click on the link or scan the QR code will come down to this page. So if you are able to see this page, be patient and wait for everyone else to come here. Okay. Okay, guys, requesting everyone to log in, like to go to the home page. Okay, you have two options. Either from your mobile phone, you can scan the QR, or you can click on the link that is been pasted in the chat box. If you have opened the link, kindly share with your teammates so they can also come to the same page. Okay. And guys, do wait till the end because the reward section will be discussing in the end. And we have quite good rewards for the top teams. Okay. So we'll wait for another 1 minute to then we'll go to the next slide. So everyone who is not on the homepage, please requesting you take another 1 minute to reach to the homepage. And who have reached the homepage, please don't go forward. Don't click on sign up or login. Don't do anything. I'll help you out in each and every process. So please be patient and keep waiting. Okay, guys, for your information, also we are pasting the Google, means this links and the QR in your WhatsApp groups, so you can refer to that also. Okay. Okay, I think we are good to go to the next page. And guys, we'll be helping you out with a recording of the process after the session. So no need to worry. Just be in here, be present over here. And team leads, take a note of the whole process so that you can help your teammates out. Okay. So you can see this page, correct? You just need to scroll down a bit and you will be able to see getting started with artificial intelligence. This is the same batch course that I was talking about, which you need to complete before 20th of June. Okay. So when you get to this page, you just need to click on start learning. Okay. This is the home page. You scroll down a bit, you get artificial intelligence, then you click on start learning. After start learning, you will get a page something like this. Okay. Or if it is saying login with Google, login with LinkedIn, then in the down, you can see sign up button. You can click on that sign up button and then sign up with email. Okay, team, plus sign up with email. Click on it and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, stay over here. The students who are on this page, please stay over here. Don't click on submit. And the student who are on this page, please make sure, if you are not able to see this page, sign up with Google, sign up with LinkedIn, sign up with IBM, and you are seeing login up with Google, login with LinkedIn, or login with IBM. There must be a small button of sign up. So you can click on that and you will be redirected to this page. And then you can click on sign up with email. Okay, I'll help you out, guys, from the starting. So this is the home page. After you click on the link or scan the QR, you are on the home page of IBM Skillsbuild Academia platform. Next is you scroll down and you get artificial intelligence, getting started with artificial intelligence batch course. So you need to click on start learning. After you click on start learning, you will be redirected to this page and you need to click on sign up with email. Okay, no login because you are not signed up yet. So first comes the sign up process, then you can log in. So please click on sign up with email. So the students who are already on this page, please fill the details, your first name, your last name, and telling it very clearly कि in the email section, you need to put your college domain email ID. Okay. Gmail IDs would not be entertained. Okay. So team lead, please make sure your team sign up with domain email ID. Okay. So you need to put your first name, you need to put your last name, you need to put your email ID and create a password. Okay. The instruction for the password requirement are given below. So do create a password that fills the requirement. And for the email, I'm telling it continuously and emphasizing on it because the student will be logging in with Gmail ID, would not be able to complete the certification. And we regret to inform that we would not be able to give you the completion certification. Okay. So please make sure you and your teammates, everyone log in through the email ID that is given by your college or college domain email ID. Great. So I'll wait another 1 minute here. Okay. So let everyone comes down to this page. Okay, guys, we'll go to the next step. Okay. So after you fill up all this information, you need to click on the submit. Okay. After you click on submit, you will get a passcode on your email ID. Okay. So get that password and please fill up here. Okay. So after you clicking submit, the page will show the page will show multi-factor authentication, and you need to put your passcode over here. And you need to go to your email ID, college domain email ID, to get the one-time passcode. Okay. So sign up from here, put your details, put your domain email ID, especially that is very important for you to complete the session, to complete the internship. Next is make a strong password. Then we'll be getting this page where you need to enter the passcode that you will be receiving on your domain email ID. Okay, guys. So to make sure we all are on the same page, you will sign up with email. Then you will click on, you will tell your first name, last name, your email, that is domain email ID, put up a password, confirm the password, and click on submit. After click on submit, you will get a passcode to your domain email ID. You need to get that passcode and put it over here. Okay. And click on submit. And most of you will get to this page. So this page is very important. We will be taking a screenshot of this page. Okay. So guys, please, when you come to this page, you fill your first name. While setting up your profile, you put your first name, last name, or family name. You put country as India, and in location, you put your states. Okay. Another important thing here, your sponsoring organization should be academia. Okay. If it is showing something else, guys, please try to re-log in through the link that was shared in the WhatsApp group or in the chat. Okay. If you are searching on Google and you are logging in, that will not work out. Please try and recheck. Okay. Ki your sponsoring organization is academia, and take a screenshot of it, because you need to put this screenshot at the end in the attendance form. Okay. So this was the page where I wanted everyone to come down. So anyone from my team would like to add anything that I may have missed out?
No, Rituraj, I think you have covered all of it.
Okay. Okay. So let's wait. Let's wait on this page, because this page is quite important. You need to have a screenshot of this page. Okay. After you take the screenshot of this page is quite important to, so put your first name, family name, country, and location. On the same page, you can see the terms and condition. Okay. Don't fill anything under additional information. That is quite optional. You can
Sorry
direct.
to interrupt, Ruturaj. Actually, students are messaging me to go slow because they are doing the process. So if you could go
Okay.
slow. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Cool.
Yeah.
Noted.
Another thing, Rituraj, many are having the queries that they don't have domain ID. Do you want to address that question right now?
No, we will take it in the end of the session. That will be
Okay,
better.
okay. So they cannot log in. So I would like to say that you can only log in through your domain ID or
Right.
the college professional ID that is provided by your college. Okay.
That is quite important. I think most of us will be having domain ID, but the students who are not having domain ID, please make sure you log in through your domain ID so as to receive your certification or complete this total internship process. Okay, we're getting request by the student that we should go a bit slow. So this is the login process. Okay. So I think there is no doubt in the login process, because you sign up with email, you put your domain email ID here, the basic information, password, then you click on submit, you get the one-time passcode. on your email ID. You need to copy that up. You get a validity of 15 minutes. So make sure 15 minutes can, under 15 minutes, you're copying that and pasting it on the multi-factor authentication page. Okay, after this multi-factor authentication, you'll be setting up your profile. So here you need to take a screenshot for your attendance. Okay.
Ruturaj, can you please read the OTP wala thing once again, because many of the students are having doubt.
Okay, sure. Okay, so you can submit the code. Okay, and you need to wait. Maybe it will take not more than 1 minute to get your, get the code onto your ID, means your domain email ID. So here's the thing. You need to, if you are putting the college domain email ID over here, then you need to go and check. You need to log in into your college email ID and see the mail chain. Okay, there you can find. You cannot put email ID over here and you go and check back in your Gmail account for the email. Okay, the email account that you put over here, the domain email ID you put over here, you go back and check in that email, that mailbox, so as to receive your code. Okay, so please make sure the email you are putting over here, you are going and checking the mailbox of the same email ID. No need to worry or panic, guys. You all will be getting a chance to get onboarded. Okay.
Rituraj, I would also like to address few of the queries that's coming on the chat box. So many are saying that the form is not getting submitted. How would you like to address that issue?
Okay. Okay. If your forms are not getting submitted, maybe first is you may be having a low internet connection. So that is one. Second is, if you are trying again and again and it's not happening, I request you to refresh your page. Okay. Refresh your page or start the process from the starting. It will not take more than 1 minute. Okay. So guys, please refresh it and start from the starting. Okay. And please be patient. Okay. Since so many of us, more than 900 people here, and many are also attending the session on our YouTube. So a lot of people and a lot of traffic into the platform. So it might be a bit slow. So please be patient and please wait for some time, because we also want to take it slow and we want to make sure that each and every one of you are getting onboarded to our platform so that you can start your learning from today itself. Okay. You can get.
I would also like to add on to all the participants who are finding it difficult to join right now. I would request you to kindly wait till the end of this meeting. Rituraj and I will be sharing some important news with you. Please wait till the end of this meeting. Okay. We'll guide you how you can actually log in to the platform. If you're facing difficulty, I would request you to please wait at this point of time. No need to panic. Let's just complete the process. Let's just see how it works out at the end, and then we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, guys. Also, if you're trying to log in and you have tried logging in 2 to 3 times, but you're not successful in that, please open the link in your incognito mode. Okay, because sometimes some cache files are there and that will create a lot of problems. So please, requesting you all, to those who are not able to log in specially, so you can try it out on your incognito mode. Okay, so that is one. I think we can go forward with this. Again, for the last time, I'm repeating the process of email. You need to click on sign up with email. Then you need to give your first name, last name, college domain email ID, and you need to give a passcode. You need to give a password and confirm your password and click on submit. After you click on submit, you'll get a page something like this. Okay. Or also in the second page, you can see there is a option of resend code. Okay. The student who are not getting the code, please click on resend code so that you can get the code as soon as possible. Okay. And those who are getting the code in their emails, just copy it down and paste it in this page. Okay, and click on submit. After clicking on submit, you'll have to set up your profile. And here's, you need to also take the screenshot that you need to attach in the attendance sheet for today.
I would also like to add on to all the people who couldn't join facing issues. You can also cross check with your team members. You can also do that. Okay. You can check with them. And at the same time, we will be sharing some important news at the end of the meeting for those of you who couldn't join. So please stay till the end of this meeting. All right.
Okay, talking about this, you have the basic information. You need to put your first name, your family name or last name, your country as India, and location as your state. And please make sure your sponsoring organization must be academia. Okay. When you reach to this page, just take a screenshot of that, save it somewhere, because you need to put that in your attendance sheet so as to get the attendance for this orientation session. And attending all of the session and giving the attendance is quite important to get the certification in the end. Okay, so here you come down to terms and condition, you click on the square checkbox, and you click on submit. And when you click on submit, you will be asked about your preferred language. So be it English, and you can click on continue. Then a page something like this would pop up. Okay, so this is the getting started with artificial intelligence badge course page. Okay. So can anybody in the chat box, I'm not getting the code, okay, no problem. The student who are over here, okay, they can wait for our friends to come on this page, on the same page. And for those, I'm able to see there are a lot of chat saying we are not receiving the code. So kindly resend it. Kindly click on resend code. That is first. Second is you can try that out in your incognito web browser. And third is you can start the login process from the starting so that you don't get such problem. So students who are on this page, okay, on getting started with artificial intelligence, can you just give a thumbs up in the chat so that I can know? Okay. Jitendra is on the Homepage, Satya, Harshita, Sai. Okay, great. There is a request to tell the last 2 to 3 steps. So I'll again go back a bit to help out all the students. So after your after your email is logged in, okay, you get the passcode, you copy this passcode and again paste it over here. After the multi-factor authentication, you will get to the setup your profile page. Okay, on setup your profile page, you can click on, you can write your first name, family name, country and location, and please make sure your sponsoring organization is academia. Okay, next is in the terms and condition. Under the terms and condition, you have 3 checkbox, square checkbox. Just click that 3 square checkbox and click on submit. It will ask your preferred language, keep it as English, and then you reach to this page. Okay, some students are saying that they are not getting the setting a profile page. Okay, that is quite normal because you must have already logged into the platform. So therefore it is showing as you're directly coming down to this page, getting started with artificial intelligence. So the student who are facing that problem, you can take a screenshot of this page instead and put that in your attendance sheet. Okay, those students who are already registered, no need to worry about, and who are not able to get the code, you can try it out later. We'll be sharing the whole PPT and we'll be also sharing a login guide video to you. Okay, so that you could easily log in to the platform. Okay, some of the students would get, oops, something went wrong. Okay. Okay, let me check. Attendance, you need not to worry about the attendance now. You just need to have the screenshot ready so that you can put that in your attendance sheet. Attendance will be taken in the last 5 to 10 minutes of the session. So no need to rush. Okay, those who have forgotten to take the screenshot, they can take the screenshot of this page instead. You can take the screenshot of this page on your device. Okay. Okay, so since most of us are on this page, I'll request everyone to click on enroll button. Okay, this is for everyone who were able to log in and reach to this page. You need to click on enroll. Okay, after you click on enroll, you need to scroll down a bit and you need to choose introduction to artificial intelligence. That is a 1 hour 15-minute course. Okay, you need to click on that. And then you need to go to activity. Okay, you need to again scroll up and you can see that you will be getting a option of go to activity. And once you click on go to activity, your course will look something like this, and then you can start your course. Okay, but please guys, please students, please don't start the course now. Okay, you have ample of time after the completion of this orientation session, so you can complete it then. But now I'm requesting everyone who are on this page, who all are on this page, please enroll yourself for this program. Okay, just click on enroll. Okay. And students, IBM Skillsbuild is working on their application, like web-based, mobile-based application. But now we are only present on website or on web pages. So please bookmark the link so that you don't get lost. Okay, you get means the link don't get lost, and you can bookmark the link so as to access it afterwards to take down the self-learning courses. Okay, so please requesting each and everyone to bookmark the link and also click on enroll. Yes, Mihir is asking, do we have to click on enroll? Yes, you need to click on enroll. We just be patient, guys. Yes, Arundhati, please.
Yes, Rituraj, many are having the same question as that they already have registered. It's showing that account registered. So, how would you like to address this question?
Okay. Give me 1 minute, I'll turn around. Okay.
Sure. Can we also get a sign that you have completed the process for the people who have successfully completed the process? I can see Jainik has completed the process. For the ones, okay, done, completed the process, great. Okay, that's good. I can see many have completed the process. For the ones who are facing a difficulty, I would request you to please wait till the end of this session. We'll be sharing some important news with you all. Please be patient and wait. You can also follow up with your teammates if they have done the process. Let's also wait for our speaker. As I can see, many of you have successfully completed the process. Great. Hi, Rituraj. So many have completed the process. I was taking a poll of
Okay,
how
okay.
many, yes. So many have done that successfully. So yes, you can address the query.
Okay. So the query was that most of the students are getting, you are already registered, right?
Right, right.
Okay. So not a problem. If you're already registered, you are a part of, means we must have a CSR box, must have conducted some session in your college. Okay. We visit offline also. So maybe that time you already have registered. So therefore you are not able to see the, you're not able to see these screens, correct? These screens would not come and you would directly end up here. Okay. So no need to worry about, okay. See, if you are able to see the screen, if you are able to enroll yourself in the platform, then no need to worry about, you will get your certifications. Okay. That
Great.
is one.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
yeah, another thing that we are getting is, oops, the wait, just a minute, let me check.
Something went wrong.
Something went wrong, or
The
sometimes it is
page.
saying the user already exists.
Right.
Okay. If it is saying the user already exists, you could directly log in. No need to sign up. Okay. Because your ID is already been created or has already been created. You just need to log in. Okay. Just so those who are getting those who are getting your email ID, then it is saying ID already exists. So you need to log in, not sign up. Okay. Okay, some students are also helping out others. So yes, you can use your incognito web pages, or you can do the troubleshooting by resending the code, or the student who are receiving the mail key, the user already exists. You need to log in, not sign up. Okay, sign up is for someone who is on the who is for the first time on the platform. If you are on the platform for the second time, you can click on login. Okay, for those it is not working. Okay, rest all can go through the process that we discussed as of now. Okay, we'll again take you through the whole process so as to come down to the same page. And then after 5 minutes, I think we are open to take some questions from the students. Okay. So first we log in through the given QR scanner or the link. Okay, you cannot type in on Google and then go through it. You just need to follow this link or this QR code. That is one very important. Next, you now are on the sign up or login page. Okay. When you scroll down, you can see getting started with artificial intelligence batch, where you need to click on start learning. Okay. Once you click on start learning, it will tell you to sign up or log in. So you need to sign up actually. To sign up with email, you need to put your first name, you need to put your last name, you need to put your college domain email ID. Very, very, very important. College domain email ID. Next is you put a password password according to the minimum password requirement. Confirm that password and click on submit, and you will see this page. So this page you need to put your passcode, and the passcode you will receive in the same email ID that you have put over here. Okay. You will get a passcode. You need to copy that and paste it over here and click on submit. And if you are not getting and you have not got the code, then click on resend code. Okay. Resend code, you click there once or twice, you'll get the code in your email ID. Then next is we set up our profile. These are for the new user. Okay. Those who are using it for the second time, maybe you will be able to see this page directly. Okay. So no need to worry about that. Anyone who has come here, just you need to put a first name, family name, country, location, and your sponsoring organization, academia. Take a screenshot of it. Next, you come down here, you click on the 3 checkbox and you click on submit. After you click on submit, it will ask your preferred language. So choose it as English. And then the most important, you enroll on the course. Okay. And when you uh, enroll in the program and save and bookmark the link. Okay. Bookmark the link so that it doesn't get lost in your what history. Okay. So please bookmark the email ID. Sorry, bookmark this page link. And then to start the course, you need to first click on enroll. Then you need to click on introduction to artificial intelligence. Then it will take you to another page. You need to click on go to activity. Okay. And introduction to artificial intelligence, you need to click on the start course button. Then it will take you through the course. The course is very interactive. There are videos, there are simple quizzes that you can take and know that how your learning is going on. So quite interactive. So do take this course, guys. The last date to enroll to complete this course is 20th of June. Okay. So for the last time, I'll check. Okay. For the last time, I'll check the chat. For those who, it is showing application not available, please be patient and try logging in after 1 or 2 hours. You could easily complete this. Okay. So guys, just got a call from our tech team. So since there are a lot of traffic in the platform, so the it is showing that application not available. You can try it out after 1 or 2 hours, and we will be keeping the attendance sheet open till today's midnight. Okay, so don't worry about the attendance. You can put your attendance till today midnight. Okay, so not to worry about that. And secondly, I got an information from the tech team key the students who are directly getting into, I'll tell you, who said that who directly got into this page, correct? So what you guys need to do, I said ki go and log in, but don't follow that process. You just need to click on the top right corner your profile and you need to log out. Okay, you need to log out and then you need to sign up with email. You need to do the whole process again. Okay. Any doubt in that? Okay, this is for the students who were not able to see setting up the profile page and directly came into getting started with artificial intelligence. Please don't log in. Just log out from your this profile, okay, the existing profile, and then sign up with Google. Sign up with email ID, the process that was shown from the beginning. Okay.
Thank you, Rituraj. Thank you so much for such an insightful session. I believe if we are done with the explaining part, we can take the question answer round quickly.
Yeah, sure. I think
Yes.
yes, we have almost taken up whole of the
Right. You
thing,
have
but I
also
I
explained it
wanted to discuss
multiple
about
times.
I wanted to discuss about the reward and recognition. I think after that you can take.
Sure. Okay. Great.
Okay, guys, eyes on the screen. ठीक है? Just don't get panic and don't log in just right away. Just wait and just come back to the session. Okay. So now we enrolled in the course. That is first course, getting started with artificial intelligence. You click on introduction to artificial intelligence, then it will, and you need to go to activity and your course starts. Okay, that is how your course enrollment is done. Okay, till this process it is the platform registration, as in you get to the platform, but this is the course registration that is utmost important. Okay, you need to enroll for the course and you need to complete the whole course, and at the end, after completing the 3 of the module of this course, you will be receiving a certificate badge from IBM that looks something like this. Okay. So you can say, you can see you have the issue date, you have issued by IBM. So these badges are quite acceptable in the market because IBM being an global player, everyone knows the pedagogy of IBM is very helpful for the learners and student to get hands-on learning. about any topic that we discuss. Okay, so you'll be getting this kind of badges and certification at the end after you complete the whole course or module. Okay. And at last, we'll be talking about the reward and recognition. So the top 6 team, okay, will be eligible for the rewards. Okay. We have nearly 100 to 120 teams. So being in the top 6 would give you a lot of confidence, and also your project needs to be very appealing and so as to be on the top 6, because a lot of great brains are over here and you have got a great competition. So guys, for the top 6 team who will who will complete the whole course, who will complete the whole self-learning session, who will attend the whole master class and finally submit the project, the top 6 teams will be receiving 5,000 per each team. Okay, means one team gets 5,000 as reward. Okay, so that is what I wanted to share with this. I think we are good to take up some questions or some doubts. So mostly doubts are on login process. So we will help that out by providing you with login process video and some FAQs will can help you out with that. So no need to worry if you have not logged in now. You can log in today itself and you can give the attendance by today midnight. So with that, I'll close and I expect some questions that we can take up. So Arundhati, you can
Yes.
take some.
Yes, Rituraj. Meanwhile, if we can have the attendance QR code, if possible, we can keep that open.
Okay,
Or
sure. Sure,
yes.
sure.
At the
And
same time, there were issues with the attendance Google form. It's fixed now. Please mark your attendance. You can scan the QR code, mark your attendance over here. You can also get the link. Please click on the last link shared by Rashika. I'm extremely sorry for the inconvenience caused. Please click on the link and mark your attendance over there. We'll quickly get to the questions, Rituraj. Okay?
sure.
Yes. So first question, it was regarding the procedure for getting a certificate. How would you get a certificate at the
Okay,
end? Hmm.
at the end. Okay. Uh, so firstly, okay, I'll take to the page. So that will be helpful, I guess. I'll take to the page
Yes,
where
we
we did.
already have the attendance link shared on the
Right,
chat
right.
box. Yes, you can do that.
So this is a very important slide that you need to see thoroughly. So first is completion of self-paced learning. Now we know what is IBM Skill Build platform where we need to do the self-paced learning. So why do we call it self-paced? कि when we got the time, जब हम free हैं, then we come down to that link, we open our platform and we do the course at our convenience. Okay, therefore it is called self-paced. मैं अपने time के availability के हिसाब से I can do the course. Okay, so first important thing is we need to complete self-paced course. That is two self-paced course. First is getting started with artificial intelligence and second is artificial intelligence fundamental. Okay, the deadlines are mentioned over here. Okay, and this PPT will be also shared with you soon so that you can refer to it. Okay, so first thing is self-paced learning is done. Okay, second important part to get eligible for the certification is you need to attend all the masterclass and mentor meetings. Okay, and third is the submission of deliverables. Okay, when you submit the deliverables, that will be thoroughly we'll go through it and we'll make sure the best team wins. Okay, but before this three, there is one other important thing is your domain email ID. Okay, so you need to have your own college domain email ID that you need to log in, and your whole team needs to log in through the domain email ID so as to receive the certifications. So I think that is good to go, Arundhati.
Yes, thank you, Rituraj. Some of our are having queries while filling in the attendance form. Is that their college is not listed? Their college name is not listed. Please, you can select on others as an option. You can do that. If your college is not listed, please select others. Okay, we are going on to the next question. Is does this internship offer placement? So, how would you like to address that? Yeah.
Okay, so talking about placement, currently we are not taking any placement opportunity. Okay, but as I said you, this will give you an ample of opportunity to showcase your project in IBM events. Okay, so when you go to IBM events, IBM people would be present there. Okay, so you can make a network over there and you can ask them for referrals. So that can be done. Okay, because we are just giving you the path, but going to the destination is your work, right? So you need to understand that if I do my project well, I'll get selected in the top 16. If I get selected in the top 6, then maybe top 3 goes for the event. So if you want to be on the event and you want, you can go there, you can network with people. So that is how we are planning as of now, and no direct placement, or we don't promise any placement. Okay, it's just that it's an opportunity for you to upgrade and learn the 21st century skills that are emerging in this century. Okay, so we are helping out you with that, and we have rewards for the top 6 teams, and top 3 teams would go for our annual IBM event. So that is all.
Thank you, Rituraj, so much. I believe your answers were helpful to many people. With this, I would like to again reiterate the fact that please mark your attendance on the Google link shared on the chat box. And at the same time, we will be wrapping it up soon. Please make sure that you complete AI fundamentals and getting started with AI, 2 batch courses. Rituraj, if you can just go to that slide once again.
Sure.
Yes. As you can see here, you will earn a blue badge with the first one, getting started with AI. Deadline is that of 20th of June. The second one, AI fundamentals, the deadline is of 25th of June. Okay. The first one is a blue badge. It would take ideally 3 to 5 hours to complete, as Rituraj already mentioned. The next one would take a maximum 15 to 20 hours to complete. Both the programs are completely virtual, self paced programs, but you need to finish it on the given deadline. All right. Great. With this, we would like to wrap it up. And please make sure that you fill in the attendance form once again. You will be getting the recorded version of this entire presentation over WhatsApp, over your email. So please don't panic that you haven't signed up, you couldn't log in. You can see the entire process. Rituraj has done a beautiful job explaining it to everyone multiple times. We're extremely sorry if somebody couldn't log in because we are currently having 3,000 plus users using the platform at the same time. That's why it might not work. Please have patience. You can do it later on. You can see it from the entire recorded version that we'll be providing it to you via WhatsApp and email. Next, you would also get the recorded version of the registration process shared again via the same platform. Great. With these, I would also like to ask Sri Lakshmi, who is heading the entire program, if you can just close the program with some few words.
Hello. Thank you so much, Arundhati. Thank you, Rituraj, for taking our participants through the whole process. And welcome everybody to the IBM Skillsbuild academic internship. I hope you guys are all excited because there are prize money also given to the teams who are performing very well. First of all, I would like to clear this to everyone, those who are facing problem because of network or because of any error. You have today's day to just get registered and fill in the attendance form. So please do not panic. Like Ruturaj said, the reason could be that around 3,000 plus students are registering all together. So that's why it's taking time or showing error. But we will be sending out a WhatsApp video tutorial of how you can register. So please go through that and you can register, try to register again at your own convenience, right? So for that, also don't forget to join the WhatsApp groups, especially the team leaders. We are putting in a lot of information there. You are also receiving mails on which we are giving informations about next masterclass, about the attendance form, or anything that we share on this call, right? Please adhere to the deliverables and the deadlines, right? You already know, which is also put on the screen, what the deliverables are. The deadlines are also given to you. It's not hard and fast. Deadline for the first one is 20th June, and deadline for the second batch is 25th June. These badges are very, very crucial. Like Ruturaj said, you can attach it in your CV whenever you go for an interview or even on your LinkedIn, right? So there is a lot of importance given to this, and it's also enhancing your profile. Secondly, you've been also asked to do projects. That means once you do the hands-on training using IBM Watson or machine learning processes, you will be given problem statements to work on as a team. So make sure, especially the team leaders, that all your team members are punctual, all your team members are attending all the sessions and completing all the deliverables on time, right? Because that will then convert into the rewards that you'll be getting. Not everybody is going to get the reward, definitely, but the most important reward, I think, is the learning that you'll have. We have amazing industry experts who will be taking sessions on generative AI, on natural language models, on prompt engineering. So these important topics will be taken up in the master classes, so please don't miss that. And of course, everybody who will be completing all the deliverables will get an internship certificate, right? When will you get this? When all these things are finished. That is by 28th June, when you finish all your things and upload wherever we are giving during the master classes, we'll give the instruction. After that, maybe by the first week of July, you will get your certificates, right? So again, I am excited, and I can see all of you are also excited for this internship. Let's make it successful for all of you and have a happy learning. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. We hope to see all of you for our first masterclass that's scheduled on 13th of June at the same time. Okay. We would also request you to complete the batch courses. You will also get an understanding of what we have in store for our next masterclass that will be shared with you over email. Great. Okay, then. We are closing this session for today. Have a great day. Thank you all. Thank you all for joining. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for joining.